much more detail. Now, the civil court hierarchy, basically, it's the same, as you can see, the levels, but the types of cases heard and the types of appeals heard, the original and appellate jurisdictions, are completely changed. And you need to know the difference between the civil justice system and the criminal justice system, original and appellate jurisdictions. So I'll just point that out now. Don't stress about it too much. Don't want to overload you. We don't have the time to talk about that in detail. And when talking about the reasons for the civil court hierarchy, appeals, you also have to discuss, which we've already looked at. And the reason why appeals are so important allows matters to be taken to higher courts where a judge with more expertise can give a fair decision and correct an incorrect decision. Instead of specialization, they want you to discuss administrative convenience. This is the idea that civil cases should be distributed according to how complex or serious they are. Meaning, less serious cases will be heard in the lower court, such as the magistrate's court, making them be able to hear a really high volume, high number of cases very quickly to free up resources, because there are more minor cases going to the courts than major serious cases, okay? And more serious and complex cases, there will be a smaller volume of them, but more resources need to be devoted and time to resolving them. And thus, they will go to the higher courts. So it results in effective distribution of cases and minimizes backlogs and delays.